9 forecast.
Welcome back. Summer storms are rocking their way across the region this afternoon. Currently no active warnings, but there are certainly some strong storms out there. Lots of lightning, heavy rainfall. You can see most of northern Albemarle, western Albemarle being impacted with these storms. They're drifting off to the southeast at about 15 miles an hour. That's pretty slow, so you could have some excessive rainfall rates, maybe 1 to 2 inches per hour, but activity is moving. That's some good news. But again, you could get caught in some of these downpours, which would just be torrential rain. So from Ravenna, Stony Point, Burnley, out toward Ednam Forest, and out toward the Country Club, Batesville, you're still being impacted with very heavy rain. And then we go a little farther north, Gordonsville and Lookout Zion Crossroads. These storms are headed in your direction. We could have some wind gust over 40, maybe up to 50 miles an hour with some of this activity. And we'll go a little farther south, Auberine, out toward Covesville, out toward Antioch. These are drifting closer toward the James River in Scottsville. And we've got a few showers just to the north and west of Stanton that are drifting off to the southeast as well. So this is sort of the main line, if you will, this afternoon. Once this moves through, we could still have a shower or thunderstorm, but this is kind of the main action for most of the afternoon and now evening. There's a look from our Charlottesville camera as we look off to the northwest with those storms that are quickly closing in, and the airport, some very heavy rain. You can't even see the distance there with the visibility reduced because of the rainfall. 75 rain-cooled degrees. And let's take a look at numbers in the Shenandoah Valley where you saw some showers earlier. Right now 76 with mostly cloudy skies. So as we look ahead the next 3 days, taking us through the weekend, it's still going to be hot. We may catch a smidge break with the humidity, but it's kind of like splitting hairs really. But the chance of rain is pretty low for the weekend. We get even hotter on Sunday, mid-90s, and most of us will be in the mid to upper 90s on Monday before our next front approaches. So as we look at the rain chance, it's still there tomorrow, but fairly low, and that takes us through the weekend. As we get into Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, that'll be the next front to watch. Now, as we take a look at the overall picture here, we have a weak, cool front that is working its way down from the Mason-Dixon line from Pennsylvania back to West Virginia. I mentioned Hannah. Hannah's going to make landfall here on the Texas coast this weekend, starting tomorrow, but the impact's already being felt in terms of the rain and, of course, the winds. Winds are right now at 50 miles an hour in association with that tropical storm, but it'll quickly weaken once it makes landfall. And then it looks like Gonzalo will certainly impact the Windward Islands. Right now, not forecast to become a hurricane, and may encounter some wind shear as it moves into the Caribbean and become a dissipating depression. So again, watching that. As we take a look at Futurecast, again, once that main line comes through, things will quiet down here tonight. Upper 60s, low 70s to start. I think the coverage here on Futurecast is a little overdone, but a stray storm certainly possible tomorrow afternoon. Upper 80s, low 90s. And then on Sunday, it'll be a hot day, more humid. Daytime highs here on Sunday in the low to mid 90s. So evening thunder showers will slowly taper off. Muggy with partly cloudy skies, some areas of fog, 65 to around 70. Saturday partly sunny, a stray afternoon storm possible, upper 80s to low 90s. Not done with the heat. It'll get hotter as we head into Sunday and Monday, and more storm chances as we head into Tuesday in the middle of next week.